Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. For today, as we continue my DIY Easter, I'm moving forward to my DIY Easter number 7. And what I'm going to do is, this is one that I've seen in Hobby Lobby. And I think it's pretty much easy to copy or duplicate it. So I got this pail from the Dollar Tree, and I got some foam pieces. I'm gonna use a burlap here. I am gonna try to, this is addition to the project. I got this sometime this year, I believe, and I only got it for clearance at Hobby Lobby. I'll be using some sticks. I'll be using a burlap, and I'll be using a cardboard for the bunny ears, and I might be also using some chopsticks or wood screwer, and of course some leaves that I bought from Walmart. So this is one DIY that I'm gonna make, and I'm just going to what I intend to do is I'll make a bunny ear here, and most probably wrap it with burlap, and I'm gonna cut this one and place it as an interior of the bunny ear. And maybe I could also make some ribbons here. And what I intend for this, I will try, I'm not sure, is to put some wheels over there on the bucket. I don't want to paint this anymore in white because I like the color as it is, although I think painting it white would add more to it. So we'll see. And I might adhere some some sticks over here to help out the wheel, something like that, to hold it down. We'll see from there. And I'm gonna insert all this one here and insert the bunny ears, wrap the bunny ears with burlap, and adhere this one over there as make an ear. And I will show you the finished, the final reveal. I will not show you how it's processed anymore because it is not that difficult. And I'll be back, okay? Hi guys, here's the final reveal of my another DIY Easter project number 7. So this is how it turned out. I'm gonna show you up close how it looks like. There, and there's the bunny ears and some plants from Walmart, and I used my the wheels that I got from Hobby Lobby from my stash there, and that's how it turned out. So that's going to be my DIY number 7. So I will show you another DIY, and I'm on to my DIY number 8. Hi, I'm back for DIY, for Easter DIY number 8. These are the materials that I'm gonna use. I have still some of this chipboard that I got from the Dollar Tree, but the only thing I don't have is the egg. But then I've seen one YouTuber that made this, and I just forgot her when I watched her DIY Easter. I forgot the name of where I saw how she did this, but she's got 4 of them. She's got an egg, and I don't got an egg. So what I'm gonna do is, this is the materials that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this as my stand for this one that I bought in the Dollar Tree. and I'm gonna paint it with white. Need some paint, and I'm gonna paint this with pink, and I'm gonna use some antique wax to for finishing. So I'm just gonna stack this this tree. This is like, this is 5 pieces, and I'm just gonna glue them all together. You know, I just put a rubber band so that I could see how I'm gonna fix it, and I hope it stands. I don't know if it's gonna stand. So my intention is just stacking them up that way and putting my chick this way. Maybe that way would be nice if it's gonna hold, or not, if maybe I can just put it that way. Either way, if it's gonna hold or not. So whatever is whatever is good, I'm gonna try to make it hold that way. And I'm gonna stand it in this way. It's just like a rustic decor that you see on Easter decor shops. That is a rustic look. And I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna paint this white, and I'm gonna paint this white, and I'll show you step by step on how it's gonna look like once I painted this one. Okay. All right, guys, I already made my I already painted the chipboards and distressed them. So to continue with the 8, so I glued 5 pieces of this rabbit chipboard from the Dollar Tree, and I also did this with the chicken. It's really not yet that I should have add more glue here, but maybe we can do that. Okay, maybe I can do that now, or maybe actually it's all right. It's not that bad. And then I already glued down this also glue 5 pieces of this rabbit chipboard, and I already painted this one and make it and distressed it. And I also have made of this one of the stand for this one. So what we're gonna do is we'll just adhere first this one over here, put one there, make it stand that way, and make it, so that it's gonna give you a nice stand. So we're gonna glue this down now. I'll just get the flat side here, there, and then the flat side, oops, over here. Hope you can see it, guys. See what I'm doing there, and I'm gonna put 2 more on the sides here. I'm just eyeballing it, and then put it down here, there, just gluing it down there. So there you go, so that when you stand it, it's gonna be that way. See, it's gonna stand really nicely. See, that's how I distressed also so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna glue this down here. I'm thinking if I should have glue it first from here, laying down that, and then just to let it stand while it's all dried up, or I should glue it here. Maybe I should just glue it here. Okay, all right, let's do this. We're gonna glue this now over here. We'll glue it in a large amount of glue, hot glue, and then I'm gonna stand it here in the front, at the front side. Okay, so hope it's in the front. Okay, there you are, guys. Okay, and then once that's there, okay, I'm gonna glue next this one here. I'm gonna glue it that way so there's a balance. Maybe glue this part here and glue this part here, and then just glue it that way in the middle. There. I think that would be nice. Okay. Just take that amount of glue there. Let it hold. Give it a second so that it's gonna hold. So there you are, guys. See? And then I don't have an egg, so this is my I'm just gonna do it this way so that it has a support rather than putting it that way. So I think my chick will be looking that way. See, put some glue over here and put some glue over here. More here. So that it's gonna secure it there. I wish I have an egg, but I don't have an egg. So we'll just hold it that tight. There. Okay. So there you are, guys. Let me just show you. There. That's how it looks like now. Okay. And then what I want to do is it is a very light chipboard, so you don't need to worry because it really is gonna stand. And I painted this Happy Easter. It's also a chipboard that I have, and I painted it white, and I'm gonna adhere this over here. And maybe I'm gonna use a glue. We're gonna use a glue. So you're gonna use a glue here. This tacky glue is a very good glue for things like this, for chipboards. Okay, we'll just do that. But I think it went to the holes. Let's just leave the holes clean. Maybe get a stick here because there, so that the glue is not going to the hole. Okay, and then we're just gonna adhere this over here and say Happy Easter. There. Okay, so let me show you in a different angle what we just have for my okay, let me just get my camera and show you my DIY number 8. So that's it, guys. I wish I have an egg, but I don't have. So that's how my other DIY number 8 looks like. Okay, so I hope this DIY that I've shown you gives you an idea of Easter, a very simple one, and I hope you enjoy them. So if you like my video, my DIYs, please give me thumbs up, and please, if you're new to my channel, it will mean the world to me if you just subscribe. So until my next DIY, guys, I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching and have a good day.